Hi guys, my name is Grace. I am a senior double major in fashion design and fashion merchandising here at Stevenson, and today I'll be showing you around the design studios. This is one of our main studios. It is the biggest studio that we have, and it's mainly where students can come in throughout the day or at night, whatever you prefer, to work on their projects. So we have industrial level sewing machines, sergers, a cover stitch machine, and industrial level irons that students can use for projects for school or personal projects. For me, I'm currently working on my senior collection, which is a 7-piece collection, and so this is where I spend most of my time. So one of the other really cool resources that design students have access to is the textile lab. And in this lab, there's a variety of fabrics that have been donated to the department. So we have fancy wool suiting material from Holland and Cherry, and we recently got a shipment from Kendor, which is a huge manufacturing company. These fabrics are free for students to use for whatever project that they have. So this is another one of our design studios, and this is where a lot of the classes take place. So students taking pattern making, draping, and concept development find themselves in this studio. There's also sewing machines, sergers, and a blind hem machine. And in the corner, we have our resource wall that has samples of things that students are completing in classes or just for reference for projects. This room is an extension of our design studios where we have more resources available to students. Some of the classes have started using this room this year, so internship prep, fashion illustration, and portfolio take place here. To my left is a fabric wall where students can feel the fabric that they would like to use for projects, just so they can get an understanding of what the fabric is like. We also have a grommet machine, a loom, and a knitting machine. And behind me, we have a space that was created last year specifically for design students so that they have a comfortable place to hang out with their friends or just work on their schoolwork. And in the design hallway, we have a computer lab where students take CAD, which stands for Computer Aided Design, and it's where fashion students learn about Gerber AccuMark. And in the back, we have a plotter where students can actually print out the patterns that they make online using the software. So that was the end of our tour of the Fashion Design Studios. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you on the runway.